Finding the right lighting for your kitchen or workspace can make all the difference in both function and style. When it comes to enhancing visibility while keeping your space sleek and modern, the best under-cabinet lighting is essential. In this video, we'll explore some top options that not only provide excellent illumination, but also offer ease of installation and long-lasting performance. Let's dive into the best choices available. BLACK+DECKER Cabinet Lighting Kit. The BLACK+DECKER Under-Cabinet Lighting Kit is a top pick for anyone looking to brighten up their home with a stylish, energy-efficient solution. This 3-bar kit, each measuring 9 inches, delivers a warm white light at 2,700 Kelvin, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in kitchens, bathrooms, or workspaces. The standout feature here is the motion sensor, allowing for easy hands-free operation so you never have to worry about flipping a switch again. The lighting system also offers 10 dimmable brightness levels, letting you customize the light intensity to suit your needs. Installation is a breeze, no tools required, just plug in the system and you're good to go. The ultra-slim design not only saves space but also enhances the overall look of your space with a sleek and modern feel. In terms of durability, these lights are built to last with energy-efficient LEDs that use 85% less energy than traditional bulbs. Whether you're illuminating a countertop or setting a calm mood, the BLACK+DECKER LED Under-Cabinet Lighting Kit delivers the perfect balance of style, function, and ease of use. Highly recommended for anyone looking to upgrade their home lighting setup. WOBANE Under-Counter Light. If you're in the market for an under-cabinet lighting solution that delivers excellent value, the WOBANE Under-Counter Light is a solid choice. Offering 6 20-inch LED strips with a total length of 9.8 feet, this kit is designed to brighten up spaces like kitchens, desks, and shelves. With 1,500 lumens of brightness and a 6,000 Kelvin white light, it's perfect for creating a crisp, well-lit environment. One of the standout features is its dimmable functionality. Thanks to the RF remote control, you can adjust the brightness to suit your mood or task. The strips are also incredibly versatile, allowing for easy connection and customization depending on your setup. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean, stick, and connect the strips with the included adhesive tape. No tools required. The build quality is excellent, with the LED strips being energy efficient and long-lasting. The low voltage ensures safe operation while providing sufficient illumination. Whether you're looking to light up a dark workspace or add some ambiance to your kitchen, this product delivers on both functionality and convenience. With its easy setup and high-quality lighting, the WOBANE Under-Counter Light is a fantastic option that offers great value for the price. Warm Color LED Closet Lights. Next up, we have the Warm Color LED Closet Light, a fantastic and versatile lighting solution for any space in your home. With a warm white light at a color temperature of 3,500 Kelvin, these puck lights offer a soft, inviting glow that's perfect for closets, cabinets, and other small spaces. The 120 lumens per light provide just the right amount of brightness to illuminate dark areas without being too harsh. One of the standout features of this set is the motion sensor, which activates the lights as soon as it detects movement within 10 feet. It automatically turns off after 20 seconds, saving energy when not in use. These lights are USB rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about replacing batteries. They're powered by a 1,000 mAh rechargeable battery, which takes just 2 hours to fully charge, making them both efficient and cost-effective. Installation is a breeze with 2 options. Attach them directly to metal surfaces using built-in magnets, or use the adhesive metal sheets for other flat surfaces. With the remote control, you can adjust the brightness to 4 levels and set timers for auto shut-off. Whether you're adding light to a wardrobe, kitchen shelf, or hallway, these lights are an excellent choice for convenience and functionality. GE Reveal Under-Cabinet Light. The GE Smart Under-Cabinet Light Fixture is an exceptional lighting solution that brings both style and functionality to your home. With its ultra-thin edge-lit design, this fixture offers diffused, vibrant lighting that enhances the atmosphere of any kitchen or workspace. The smart lighting technology supports seamless integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, Samsung SmartThings, and Apple Home, allowing you to control the lights hands-free or remotely via the Sync app. What sets the Reveal HD Plus apart is its color-changing capability, offering millions of hues to perfectly match your mood or setting. Whether you're hosting a party or need focused task lighting, this fixture provides versatile options with adjustable brightness. It's easy to install with both direct wiring and plug-in options, and the ability to link up to 10 fixtures for synchronized lighting across larger spaces adds to its convenience. Performance is top-notch, with no glaring hotspots and uniform illumination. Whether you're creating a cozy atmosphere or need bright task lighting, The Sync Reveal HD Plus handles it all. For anyone looking to add smart lighting to their kitchen or any other space, the GE Sync Undercabinet light fixture is a solid choice, highly recommended for smart home enthusiasts. Lepro LED Strip Light. Next up, let's take a look at the Lepro LED Strip Light, a fantastic lighting option for anyone looking to enhance their space without breaking the bank. This LED strip delivers impressive brightness with 300 high-performance 28/35 LEDs, offering a crisp daylight white illumination at 6,000 Kelvin. Whether you're lighting up your kitchen, bedroom, or adding a cozy glow under cabinets, this strip gets the job done with ease. One standout feature is its dimmable function, which allows you to adjust the brightness using the included dimmer. This makes it perfect for creating the right mood, whether you need bright light for tasks or a softer, ambient glow. The strong 3M adhesive ensures the strip stays securely in place, making installation simple and hassle-free. What's more, the Lepro LED strip is energy efficient, operating at a safe 12 volts with minimal heat output, so you don't have to worry about excessive power consumption or potential hazards. The environmental benefits are a bonus, as the strip is designed to last and made from eco-friendly materials. In short, the Lepro LED strip light provides excellent value for money, offering flexibility, durability, and energy efficiency. Perfect for those looking to add a customizable, stylish touch to any room.